This is a short video demonstrating how to use the hanging window and split screen functionality on the iPad. This may help with using MIS and Tiaki together. If this is your first time trying out these tips and tricks, it might help to have the video playing side by side as you take a look through. You'll need to have the apps that you're wanting to use in the hanging window or split screen in the dock bar at the bottom. To do that, hold down on the app until it starts to jiggle. Hold your finger on the app you're wanting to add to the dock bar, dragging it down. Once you have added all the apps you are wanting, click on the Home button to stop the apps from jiggling. First, we'll go through how to do the hanging window. This allows you to have one application open, such as MIS, with a window hanging over the top, such as Tiaki. Open your first application, such as MIS. Swipe from the bottom of your screen. This will make the dock bar available. Make sure you don't swipe up too quickly as it will close your current application. Hold on the app you're wanting to make hanging, then dragging it to the left or the right of your screen. To move the app from left to right on your screen, hold and drag at the top of the app, moving it side to side. The hanging window acts like an iPhone. You can swipe up to view other applications you may have in the hanging window already, and swipe up again to remove the app from the hanging window. If you swipe up on the app, then you'll need to complete the same steps again to add it back in. You can swipe the hanging window to the right and it will be easily available if needed later. Swipe from the Home button across to the left and the hanging window will appear. You can have as many applications sitting here as you wanted, allowing you to use MIS along with other applications. Now we'll take a look at how to split the screen. Unfortunately, you can't split the screen with MIS, however you can with Tiaki and most other applications. Open one of the applications you are wanting, then drag the dock bar up as we did in the hanging window. Hold down the app you're wanting to split the screen with, dragging it to the top right-hand corner and then dragging it down the right-hand side. You can drag in the middle of the application from left to right, making one app bigger than the other. To remove an app from the split screen, drag from the middle out to the left or right depending on what app you no longer require. The second app will disappear and the other one will now be in the full screen. The hanging window and split screen can take a couple of times to get the hang of it. However, if you need more assistance, please contact the MMPO. Thank you for watching, and to see more iPad tips and tricks or other training videos on MIS or Tiaki, please visit our website.